Next up is one of my favorite cookies to decorate. This is our taco cookie. All you need to decorate this one is yellow and white icing and your packet of taco topper sprinkles. Go ahead and take your scissors and open up that packet. If you have a small bowl, you might want to empty them into the bowl. Otherwise, you can just dump them out in your hand and grab the sprinkles as needed. Instead of outlining the entire top of the taco, I'm going to put all my toppings kind of down this right side of the circle. So when I outline, you'll see that I'm going to cut in to the middle of the cookie. So I'm going to start on the bottom left. Now I'm going to take my white icing. This is going to be my sour cream. And I am going to just come in and loosely put it in that empty space. And you want to get a little bit in on the taco part too. And then take your bag of sprinkles. Go ahead and put some in your hand. And add your taco toppers all along that white spot there. You've got some brown sprinkles for your taco meat. There's some yellow sprinkles for cheese. And then the little red sprinkles are tomatoes. One of the things to keep in mind with those tomatoes is they're a little bit harder than the rest of the sprinkles. So you don't want to overdo it with the tomatoes, just a few here and there for fun. Just like that. And there's your taco cookie.